Bugeye guys. We are working on lots of things today, but I wanted to just talk to you a little about dog bones. So Tate is a car that we just finished putting together for California. We're gonna put Tate right here. There's Tate, so you can see Tate is a sweet red Bugeye heading to California. We've just gone through a bunch of stuff, and one of the last things we did was we changed the dog bones. And I wanted to show you this video because it started out with a noise. One of these is loose, here it is. A noise in the rear end, and this is the noise actually. And so it's kind of cool to see that. So this dog bone is a link. Here's a brand new one. The link goes through the shock absorber here and through the body, the shock absorber on top, the arm of the rear shock absorber through the body of the car. And this is the link that basically connects the rear shock to the car. And this is a brand new one with new bushings inside. And in particular, the rubber at this portion of the link is getting corroded over time. These may be the originals. You can see, this is a telltale sign you would see when you're looking under your car at these rear links that the rubber has corroded. And in this little ball joint in particular, you can hopefully see it's just sort of flopping around in there. And it was making a bit of a clunk that I could hear. If you don't drive hundreds of these cars, you might have missed it. But we wanted to optimize the car before departure. After all, it's going to California, so we won't get to see it anytime soon. We wanted to get it right, so new dog bones was the fix. And that's all part of our process in getting the cars that we sell ready for departure. That's our 420th, the car Tate, so leaving with new dog bones. And if you would like to order your own, we have them in our parts catalog. If you like these videos, we hope you'll buy your parts from us, from Bugeye Guys. And thanks for watching.